Air quality blank not good. What will you use? Was or were? Was and were both are to be verbs of past tense, and we use them. Was we use was with he, she, it, I, singular noun, uncountable noun, collective noun, this and that. And were we use with we, they, you, plural, any hypothetical condition, these and those. Okay, so air quality, what will come over here? Was, because it's air is a uncountable noun. You cannot count air, so it is uncountable noun. 1 kg of rice was enough for today. 1 kg, it's countable. You can count 1 kg. There, you see, there were blank bottles of water on the table. So it is countable plural noun. There were 5 bottles of the water on the table. There blank water in the cup. Okay, so water is uncountable noun. So for uncountable noun we use was. There was water in the cup. That can be like little bit of water, full cup of water, but there was water. Okay. I wish I blank born on moon. This is a wish or hypothetical condition. In that condition you will use were. I wish I were born on the moon. I blank at the zoo yesterday. That is true condition. It happened in past. We will use was over here. I was at the zoo yesterday. The Smith family blank in this house before you. What will we use? Was, because it's a collective noun. Family, team, those are collective nouns. So we will use was for collective nouns. Okay. It blank a beautiful evening. For any time of the day you use was. So morning, afternoon, evening, night, you will use was. It was a beautiful evening. Blank. You in the park this morning? It's a question. Okay, so with you we use were. Were you in the park this morning? Those blank his shoes. With those and these we use were. Those were his shoe. Her hair blank tied up tight. Always remember, hair is always uncountable noun and it is used like a singular, like one hair or bunch of hair. You never use hairs. It's wrong. You always pronounce it hair. So her hair was tied up tight. The children blank playing outside. The children is plural. So we will use were. The children were playing outside. A group of bikers blank crossing the road. Now this one is tricky because we use a group of and then here is bikers. So always remember, when we are talking about a group of something, that is collective noun. So a group of bikers is collective noun, and with collective noun we use was. Okay, so a group of bikers was crossing the road. Okay, if there was two groups of bikers, then you will use were. Okay, so a group of bikers, even if this is bikers plural, we will use was. They blank the winner of the match. They were winner of the match. The weather blank perfect for the beach yesterday. The weather was. The weather is uncountable now. You cannot count weather, air, water. So we use was with weather, air, water. Okay, or any uncountable noun. The team blank playing at their best to win. The team was. This is collective noun. The team was playing at their best to win.